In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Hyperlink in WPS Office. Welcome, and thank you for watching. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a clear and practical way to add clickable links to your document using WPS Office. This method works smoothly whether you are creating documents for school, work, or personal use, and it is designed to sound natural and easy to follow when read aloud for an AI voiceover. To get started, open your document in WPS Office and type the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. This can be a word, a phrase, or even a full sentence, depending on how you want the link to appear in your document. Once the text is in place, select it using your mouse or your keyboard. Make sure the correct text is highlighted before moving to the next step. After selecting the text, right-click on it to open the context menu. From the available options, choose the Link option. This action will open the hyperlink window where you can attach a web address to the selected text. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also open this window by pressing Ctrl and K on Windows or Command and K on a Mac. This shortcut helps speed up the process, especially if you create links often. When the hyperlink box appears, look for the field labeled "For the address." In this box, carefully enter the website link you want the text to open. Double-check the address to avoid errors, as an incorrect link may not work properly. Once the link is entered, click the Confirm option to apply it. Your selected text will now become a clickable hyperlink inside the document. At this stage, you may notice that the hyperlink appears in a different color. If you want, you can customize the appearance of the link by changing the text color or style to better match your document design. This can help maintain a clean and professional look, especially in formal documents. To test the hyperlink, hover your cursor over the linked text. You will see an indicator showing that the link is active. To open it, press and hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, then click the link. This ensures that you do not accidentally open links while editing your document. That is how you can easily create a hyperlink in WPS Office Writer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.